Everybody lolly. Because there's here now. Santana is here all the way from Ibadan because of our own enjoyment. So, I want bank on the day one. Sorry, you be London. Alright guys, I'm here to present this award to a woman of honor, Dr. Remy Odunsi. She's not here, but she sent her words, she sent her support, and her representative, they've been here all day. Sherry, there are lots of people that you even say you want to give them an award. For the fact that we said we want to honor you, and you even chose to show up, it's a big deal. Please come upstairs. So that's why I said, okay, let me present this award by myself, So on behalf of my humble self, from all of us at Eeta Award Season 5, we present the award of Humanitarian Personality of the Year to Dr. Remy Odunsi. Picture. No, you have to say something on that behalf.
Wow. Thank you so much. We want to appreciate Eeta Award Season 5 for this honorable award for threefold impact. Threefold impact is an initiative birthed by Mrs. Remy Odunsi, and she started this from her own personal goodwill, helping people, sponsoring people to school, building schools, rehabilitating schools, and the last one we had, which is Sahel, and in that project, we were able to train close to 5,000 youth in Lagos here, and the program is still on, and this is done by our own personal goodwill. And I'm so glad that this award is coming, and I'm very sure she's going to appreciate this with all of our heart, and also very sure that she will definitely reach out to the organizer. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come on, please, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause. Okay, go down. Go down. Two.
Ayọ̀ fún mi lókè, lókè sọ̀kò tó kọ́ balẹ̀, ẹ̀sìn kan sọ̀rọ̀.